All right, we're at day 2 of Appalachian Waves, and today is Sound Day, so our focus is on sound. A lot of our experiments are using the LabQuest 2 with tuning forks and pipes to determine different types of sound waves. This morning we talked a little bit about science and the scientific method and what science is and what it isn't, and how we can use science to try to answer some of our questions. There's 8 stations for sound today, and we'll wrap that up, and then we're going to do some work this afternoon. We'll see some videos on entrepreneurship that relate to sound.
I teach 6th grade science, so Appalachian Waves fits directly within my standards. And before I found out about the Waves project, my physical science and the Waves portion of my standards were the ones I was least comfortable with. So coming here and experiencing the labs, it's definitely something I can take back and use just how it is with very few modifications.
What I thought was interesting was when I was using the probes and actually kind of getting hands-on for the first time, I didn't realize that I was going to start asking questions on my own. I did what I would always hope my students do. I started asking other questions like, well, what if I move this here or test the probe on this area? And suddenly I realized I was getting sucked into the experiment and taking it even further than what was asked of me. And once I realized that that was what was happening, I was excited because I knew that's what's going to happen to my students when they use it. So that's definitely something I'm looking forward to in my classroom.
Day 2 is going really well. As you can tell behind me, everybody's really engaged and very excited, so I think it's been a really big success so far.